Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Let me know if audio, video, everything is clear. All right. Let me know what is your view about the market. Meanwhile, let me also analyze the chart. I was out, I just came back. So a little bit I got held up. Let's start looking at US market. US market at this point of time. Dow Jones is kind of positive. S&P 500, Nasdaq is just open. Even that is slightly in green, just slightly. Now here we can see the zone. Previously it was acting as a resistance. Later the zone acted as support. Market moved up, came down, and now the zone is acting as resistance. So here at this point of time, let's say what kind of action it's happening. If you see, market is rejecting near 382 level of Fibonacci. So more pressure might come here, but US market is kind of positive. There is a speech coming today, sir. I think 7:30. Are we trading, taking a trade? Thanks for the update. Let me see what news is coming out. Fed Chairman Powell speech 7:30. That's why market is kind of settling a bit. Solana continuous fall. Ethereum also. What about today? 9:40 AM strategy achieved very late in target. See, yesterday I had told in the group that I'll not be trading today because once in a while I take a break from trading. So setup, views, everything I had, but even though opportunities was there in front of me, I did not take the trade because yesterday only I had communicated this is the mindset I'm going to the market. I'll be in the market, I'll look at everything, but today is a break day, so I did not worry too much. Second half of the day I was a bit occupied with something else, so I didn't check 9:30 strategy. What happened? Ethereum trade was very good in the morning, sir. Yes, I keep giving the levels here. 43, 4,340, 4,352. From this zone we can expect market to correct. At what time did I actually say this in crypto group? Morning I had discussed the zone. Sorry, this one. This is the same setup. And when Ethereum came to the level also at 130, 140 zone, look at Ethereum, it is near resistance, bearish trade is available. All this update I had given. So if you were there, you would have captured a very decent move in the market. You have to keep trailing the stop loss and going, right? What about others? Gold, I had discussed about the support and what kind of bounce back gold has done from the support. It's a decent bounce back, right? You know this is the range where we can expect some kind of action, means you need to be ready. Now here Sol did not touch the come to the resistance, it corrected, but I understand the logic behind why from this zone only it corrected. Okay, that logic, once I teach you about how to understand will the seller enter or not, at what zone he will enter. I'll discuss about that in a separate video. That time you guys will get an understanding. BTC also somewhat similar only. So now you guys are saying there is going to be a meeting, things like that. So everything is holding on below. Little bit. This is a resistance zone as of now. This is a recent support. Market is trading within the zone. My levels were useful in Ethereum. Okay, if you made use of it, good. So yes sir, can you make video about this? Okay. Gold rocket. When there is uncertainty in the market, definitely gold will rocket only. People little bit, they are worried about what Jerome Powell is going to say. I will not be surprised if gold goes up to the resistance zone, because you see here this trend line is acting as potent zone. Here market might, let's say it might give a breakout, it might correct here, and then this kind of movement can happen. So whoever got to know this is the support zone, what I shared from here, who entered, they are kind of at the safe zone where they could have trailed the stop loss to cost, or up to this zone also where they take decent profit in case market completely reverse. Because not everything that I say will happen in the market, but when based on price action, stop loss hunting, we look at the market, there is a chance, there's a probability. I told sir today I did not take the trade. Today is a no trade day for me. You guys tell me what happened in 9:30 AM strategy. My wife took the trade. She said she made profit. I don't know about you guys. She took bearish trade. That I know. I don't remember which strike price. So please do the next video on intraday series. Please sir, so much waiting. You guys support by giving the likes. Definitely I will do. I said if that video reaches, if I get 500 likes, 600 likes for that video, I will do. Ethereum moving up, BTC holding on latest zone. BTC trying now also is a problem. 500 points and all is too much. So also everything is moving up. Is it going to be pump and dump? What is this? As per my understanding, Jerome Powell sir will not cut the interest rate until September. This is what I feel. I'm not sure. I'm not looking at the data as of now. We'll look into the global market also, traders. Anywhere we are getting S&P 500. S&P 500 at this point of time, the zone where it is right now, it's a crucial zone. Here it might face some kind of a resistance, I feel. Then slowly it might come down up to this zone. So as long as this level market corrects, sustains, gives a breakout, this upside movement continue, possibility little bit. I am looking at it in a doubt, a bit of doubt itself. Even I feel Dow Jones right now also is in a indecision range. This is make or break level. So market is holding on little bit above the break level also, but still little bit no confidence here. Let the market sustain, things like that. Maybe later it can come up to this zone. In the resistance zone, if there is a green candle, how do we plan? Of course, I'm not trading in these instrument. I'm only concentrating on BTC Ethereum, but I'm just saying If these things, Dow Jones near the resistance zone, S&P 500 near resistance zone, here too much of pressure has come. Will it completely move up? That is a doubtful situation itself. Who is keeping the market up? I don't know. Okay. So, what do you guys think? According to you, what is your perspective? Will market, this continuation, will it happen, or market will face some kind of rejection? I'm thinking little bit in a view like this. Okay, entry at this zone, stop loss little above here, target only we will not get properly, so target we have to plan according to this. So target according to this is 174. So 174 up to this zone, something like this we can target, but continuously green candles are happening, right? That is why little bit I'm skeptical. Will I get any entry at this zone, or little above I have to wait and look for entry? Little confusion is there. And before the news also, what they're going to do, I don't know. Okay, trap process going. Okay, we will see liquidity. We have not looked at liquidity as of now. Okay, liquidity in BTC is up to 1,13,900. It's now trading at this trade. I'm not taken, just a reference point I've just kept, that's it. Okay, 1,13,900 up to this resistance. Little bit possibility for that also is there before initial, for the first 15-20 minutes they might. Okay, fine. And 1,11,300, 11,300 is seems to be more achievable in the market at this point of time compared to the upper target. Any good news, something comes, market can move up. It's a different story. BTC is not giving confidence. Ethereum not giving. Ethereum. Ethereum here, pressure might come, might not come. Okay, I can see some selling pressure here. So in case there is a red candle here, maybe that time I can try, or else if it sustains above this, I have to look for bullishness. If it sustains above this, I'm saying there's an important range here. And now if I take bearish trade also, a reasonable stop loss setup only I will get around 25-26 points, but already so much movement has happened here, no? Little bit I'm also skeptical as to what to do. Another 10 minutes news is going to come. Okay, this one a bit of luck situation only. Okay, not luck situation, I'm not sure. Based on news, will market directly, if it moves off up, no, it will be a problematic situation for me. So that's why I'm thinking, should I enter, should I not enter? If I enter also, stop loss if I keep very small, that will be better. Or one red candle if I get here also, fine. Nothing is happening as per what I want to take entry. Something here happens, I can decide. Same thing in Ethereum also. Some kind of negativeness. in the market, if I get near the zone, yeah, that time maybe I might look for bearish trade. If it goes above the zone, I have to look for bullish only. As of now, both of these trade, I've just marked the risk reward calculator and I'm waiting for any kind of update or confirmation. Based on that confirmation, I can decide is what I feel. Okay, let's not forcefully do it. Okay, risk is small means reward, if it is looking like okay, reward can be big, that time we will consider. If this green candle only it's forming, closing, things like that, what is the point? Please don't take this trade. This is just for calculation purpose I have kept. Okay. Can you change the heat map to Solana or Ethereum as well? Okay. We'll see. Ethereum is near 4,375. Lower end is 4,200. 4,200, 4,375. 375 is where? Too high. 375. Almost same range only. 4,200 is here. 375 is here. But what I can do is market, since it is sustaining, we will see. Let this risk reward calculator be. Okay, I don't know where it went. Let this be. I'm not taking bearish trade. If it sustains above this, I'll look for bullish trade. News is at midnight, correct? Jerome Powell is speaking around 7:30 is my understanding. So also rejection. Around 87 people watching the live stream, only 29 likes. Then 7:30. Sir, I'm seeing here, if you see the news, it says Fed chairman speech is around 7:30. You can see here, right? So that's what people are little bit concerned about. Okay. The zone is the pressure zone. Red candle is forming. There's a 50-50% chance. Okay, I am not going to take too much risk in this trade. If I get an entry on the bearish side, fine. Or in case market sustains above this zone, I might also consider bullish trade. So calculatively only I have to look into which side. Simple. Above this, if market sustains, bullishness. If it doesn't sustain, bearishness. That's what, as of now, I have a plan. By the time I take the trade, if time is 7:30, then what to do? Okay, Ethereum is showing some pressure. This is 50-50% chance only. News also is there. I have to keep. When there is news, for me, it is always a headache. Properly based on price action, I won't be able to take trades. Okay, this one is happening. So let's say I take, this is one attempt I'm doing on the sell side. Okay, stop loss is very, very small for this trade. I don't want to risk too much. If it moves down, fine. If not, I will close the trade. Sorry, in this little bit I do correction also. It's a headache. You guys don't have to enter here. Okay, too much indecision zone only. Still it's not giving closing. So let's see quickly. After me entering, it gave off a pullback. This trade target seems to be too big. So, this is another 35, 30. Give the movement quickly, sir, at least up to the zone, so that I don't want to compete with the market around 725. I'll switch to 1 minute. Okay, so proper closing. News is there, traders. That is why I'm asking you guys, please post. I did not trade today. I kept on saying that. I'm going to reduce the stop loss. Okay, I want to reduce the risk of this trade as much as possible. If I get the momentum, fine. If I don't get the momentum, also fine. But I'm not going to risk too much during the news time. Anything can happen. Okay, so as of now, $43. If you see, for me, $22 only is the risk. Okay, already nice move. I'll trail the stop loss and go. This can be just a spike situation. We will trail around the $150 profit. If they try to trap, even we will try to trap. Okay, we don't want to lose our capital. We don't want to be their stop loss hunting zone. Whatever happens, I take the trailing stop loss. Done. $180. Okay, so this trade is over, I think. Nice. Movement was good. We were ready. 1.2 points. How many people entered with me? I don't know. You guys entered or not. I gave a heads up also. The setup also I had discussed, but I took in Solana. Here also I could have taken. Okay. Trailing stop loss hit means done. Now news time. Let's not break our head. We made some profit here. So we'll hold on to that profit. Use it for the next trade. For me, around 11,000-12,000. Okay. What methodology you come, market will sustain. See, for me, candle doesn't matter. Red candle, that one and all is this doji candle, all those things and all is now market additional move, whatever it gives, that is not my concern. Before the news situation, as much as possible, I should have captured the move. Okay, that is my goal. So how much possible we have captured additional moment. I done paper trade and made 3k profit with 930. Okay, I did not take trade today, sir. Don't ask me to post video. Maybe in private group I informed I will not be trading today, so others don't know. See, what is the trade logic in Ethereum also I will say, and Solana also I'll say. Now here, if anyone entered at this breakout, okay, looking at this breakout, and here anyone would have entered, their profit booking will be somewhere near this zone. Okay, they think, okay, this resistance market corrected, or finally this was the main resistance, I will correct. So as per my understanding, if market is giving breakout here slight breakout, all this is kind of attracting people to take bullish trade. But first their stop loss hunting has to be done. Later market can decide its trend, okay, upside or downside. Market needs a bit of liquidity, and people in panic, they're not sure why market is moving up. Even I was not sure why market was moving up, but I understood, okay, at this upper zone market can hunt the stop loss of some people, okay. So little bit small stop loss opportunity if I enter in this Solana case also. The zone I was waiting for a red candle. Once we got the red candle, problem is we wait on a 5 minutes time frame, right? So or else here at this zone red candle, when it is formed above that, I could have tried, but doing that also is a bit of a risky situation only, especially in crypto market. So only small liquidation grab. If this one had continued, right, my expectation, maybe market would have gone up to this zone also. Later it could have reversed. That possibility would have been there, but that I cannot judge just 3-4 minutes before the news. So before that, what I have to do, small stop loss. If this is the reversal zone, let's attempt, because stop loss is very small. Now during this pullback, some weak players and all would have been removed. Good, we exited on time. So that's what it is. Now market is kind of bullish, but 7:30, this might be news based situation. If Jerome Powell says good morning also, they will push the market. This is the previous resistance. Now to trap people, market can break this. Right, it can break that. Liquidity in Ethereum, where is it going up to? Liquidity is there near 1 lakh. Sorry, my bad. Ethereum almost there near liquidation zone. 4,388, 4,400 only market has come up to. Now at this zone, will it continue or not? I can't quickly judge that, because market is too volatile right now to take a decision. But I feel at this point of time, looking at this move and all, I will not enter. You want to enter means you can do that, but I will not enter, because all the people, okay, whoever entered morning selling pressure zone, whoever did not book profit, their stop loss and all hunted. Whose stop loss market wants to hunt? No, that I am not sure. So that is why maybe one last attempt I can try. Will it sustain? I don't know. News also is going around. I feel at this point of time, bullishness I cannot think about. I can be wrong also, but this train, let's see, 25 points up to this zone. If I look for bearish trade also, still I have not decided. I'm still trying to analyze. Jerome Powell's up, what he says, I don't know. Never seen this kind of move in Solana in one candle. See, that news based momentum, any side it could have come, okay. That is why gold, you can, if you guys understand where has gold come, it has come to this resistance. I told anyone near the support would have entered means there is a chance gold can reach up to this zone also. You go to the beginning of the live stream and look at it. You'll get an understanding. What time I said? Around 7:15. After this, basically it has to reject from here. But any negative news based on that it is moving means I don't know. Yes, morning resistance. So gold as of now is at pressure. Here I will looking at this move and all, I'm not trading in gold. I'm giving you the view. That's it. Solana resistance. Okay. Ethereum broken the resistance. This movement and all, how can I guess? I cannot guess like that. But now this and all setup what I've shared is based on price action, stop loss hunting. There's not news based movement, because I don't know what will happen. So here any setup I'm waiting for on the bearish side, where market can come for the zone as a retest. The zone as a retest if market comes. 2 consecutive bearish candle, enough. Okay. Copy price. Market in action mode. Okay, traders, see, as of now Solana is near resistance. As per this, maybe there is no other stop loss hunting level on top, so market might tend to move towards the downside. So I'm not looking at bullish trade, looking at this. BTC has come to our resistance. It's broken the resistance. Once if market breaks, it can act as support only if it goes above the day's high. Okay, then we can be looking for bullish, not at this point of time. Solana, Ethereum market has given a breakout. Next resistance has to act as support. If market is not coming to support, if there is no pullback, where do I look for bullish trade? Randomly, if I enter the trade, yes, by luck I might capture the movement, but that is not how we trade. Either we can capture or it can become a loss also. I don't want to try the luck situation. So what do I do? This is continuously moving. More than that, I'll go to Solana. Solana is where. Anyone looking at the news, let me know. Why didn't you upload 9:30 strategy? What to do? 5 to 6 times I have to say the same thing. Today I did not trade, traders. Little bit occupied. I decided not to trade today. Yesterday only I informed in the group, today I will not be trading. In front of my eyes only this Nifty setup. It's happening. I've taken, if I was there in the market, I would have taken the setup. I'm looking at it. I want to trade, but since I decided I should not be trading today, I did not take the trade. So some days it is important that we don't keep trading every day. Once, even during the live market condition, unbiased view you should have. How is your mindset according to, when you don't take trades any side, it will be unbiased to a certain extent, right? Now many people, what will happen, I'll say, you're taking a bullish trade, you will come up with all the reason why market will be bullish. Or if I take a bearish trade, I'll come up with all the reason why market should be bearish. But if I've not taken any trade, then I'll be a bit unbiased. I'll wait for opportunity, right? So that kind of mindset also is important to develop. That only yesterday only I decided I'm not going to. Jerome Paul hasn't even opened his mouth yet. That's why market is sustaining. Good, we entered soon, trail the stop loss quickly, exited soon. There's no point in regretting, okay, we should have taken this trade. No, that's not how market works. Should have, would have. That and all doesn't work. So Powell's statement increases the chance of rate cut, which is bullish for BTC. Is it? Someone said is not yet spoken also. I'm in Bangalore. Do you take offline classes? No, sir, I don't. Offline classes is not even needed. You just come to this last 1 month crypto live what I say, how I say, you just see that. You'll get an idea and continue to watch the live stream for 1 month additional. Then you will get better idea. So if market is continuously going, I am not interested to take because there's no price action, nothing here for me to. Ethereum rejection, where sir, it's not rejecting. It's just, I was thinking, okay, 2 red candles, if it forms, I will plan for liquidity. It might come up to the resistance, can come act as support, market can come up to that zone. Nothing is happening here. Where to enter? This trade I did not take. You guys know that. Okay, we will see what about where people have changed their zones. Nowhere. People are just waiting. Only people who have formed a base, they are quietly, happily sitting in the market. And Ethereum also, final upper level market has gone 4,513. 4,513. 1 second. How the market is reacting there. What just happened? Fine, Ethereum 4,513. Here market is holding on. I'm in this kind of situation now. Rest in peace, Delta. Nope. Okay. 4,513. Above that, there might not be any other stop loss. Should I look for a short trade? If I take this, I'm going opposite to the trend, but if I capture, I will capture a decent move. First of all, let me see if I have to enter here. Pressure I can see, but how will it sustain? What about other index? BTC in pressure. Ethereum not yet. Solana. Okay, I'll go here and see. BTC might come for a retest up to this zone. That possibility is there. Solana, it might. Indecision is still there. If it decides to go up to this zone, that time from there, if it is rejecting any bearish trade we take, we might get into trap. That we have to factor in. Gold is gone above the resistance, but respected. Who entered near the support and resistance, you would have captured. I wish they would have legalized trading gold also. I would have definitely looked into it. If they would have allowed me to trade in other index. Maybe that is how I have to see next, I feel. Oh, what the heck. Oopsie. Can you tell me? I'm a beginner to trade. I know what is price action and candlestick pattern. That's it. I never traded. When will you upload today's? Oh, today I did not take. Okay, I think in free group I have to tell that I did not take. Come on. If market is like this, situation is like this, how to take trade? This is just continuing. I think I have to forget about this. Here also I'm having some kind of issue. The trading view is what I can see. This is the resistance zone. At least give the strike and entry time. Why simply live trade only I have to do if I think? Anyway, SEBI ban. I'll just get banned. I'll go out of YouTube. Why not? Yes, I'm having issue here with this platform. So hopefully they rectify that. Of course, if they are working on it, I'll just message them. I'll ask them what is happening. If they are working on it, there is no point in me waiting for opportunity. Anyways, I can't trade then. Soul has given a breakout here. From that time, I'm thinking, okay, if there is going to be a bearish opportunity, but here platform also I'm having some issue. Nothing can be done. Traders, one small momentum we were able to capture. After that, news-based movement. There's not price action. This might be just the short covering situation what people would have done, and that is what based on price action I can see. Apart from that, other logics and all only later we will get to know based on the news. There's no 3000 points looking at this move. Why will people not feel bad? Why did I not enter? That is there. Opportunity. See, you have to have a view. You have to take trades according to that. And moment like this, if it's favoring you at the same time, luck by chance, you go based on setup. Setup is not luck by chance, right? Your setup is all the logic you use to take a bearish trade, bullish trade. Once you take the trade, along with that, you're getting the means that's fine. That's awesome for you. But just don't look at this and say, okay, I should have entered, I would have captured big. No. Here, decent opportunity was there. This decent opportunity, both in Ethereum and Solana, I'm saying. Why should we, risk our capital when we don't know what Jerome Paul Saab is going to say? Jerome said there might be interest rate cuts, sir. I think so. Soul chart is writing in Delta. Can you check? See, when market movement is like that, it's showing my funds as zero. That means they are working on in the back end. We cannot take trades right now. There has been some issue. Sir, I think 85 people watching the live stream, only 45 likes. How many people took the first trade along with me? First trade is done based on price action stop loss hunting we took. There we got the moment. We trailed the stop loss as much as possible because we knew there is going to be meeting, things like that. So whatever it is, we are in profit. Now platform is not working means that is something which we don't have under our control. I message them, they're working on it. Let them sort it out. Then we will see. I went for Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum also, I think based on trailing stop loss, if you would have done, it would have been a proper situation only for you, I guess. When I exited, if you have exited. 4,600, 4,600. My internet is problem, is all website problem. I'm not able to. This is working. See, something has happened throughout this one crypto market. I feel everywhere, wherever we get the data, also those websites. Okay, working now. Nothing, traders. My job is not to give you any random trades, random entry. I have to give you setups based on price action, stop loss hunting. As per that, for me, nothing is visible right now. This is just a momentum based situation. Immediately they can push it down also, they can take it up also. In this 50% chance and all, I cannot participate. Okay, my psychology. So if mindset is not, I'm getting notification on Delta, but site down. Okay, can't, nothing can be done. I'm not going to take a, okay, here's, now it's working. Again, if it freezes, what to do? Funds, they made it 0. So they're working on it. I can't participate. Fine, opportunity missed means miss, that's it. I don't know the logic behind why market moved up. If you guys are saying Jerome Powell said he's going to have rate cut decision based on that market mood, that decision and all we couldn't have judged because I expected September rate cut only based on price action. I took the trade. I took a bearish trade. 10-12,000 profit we made. That's enough. I'm just closing for the day. And let me just let you know what I think. See, market has given a breakout and random people to remove. For liquidity sake, market has to come down. A resistance can later act as support. Okay, a resistance zone is this, right? Some people watch the live in portrait. See, our resistance zone. What is our resistance zone? A resistance zone can act as support. Later, market can bounce. At that point of time, if I see any W pattern based on price action, I can look for bullish. Now with what logic I'll look at bullish trade? I don't know the logic. Here also, Ethereum, let's say it came up to 4,500, 540 zone and then recovered. Maybe that time I will consider once at this zone or second at this zone. Two opportunities. Gold anyways, I don't trade. Solana, okay, it came down, retested, it has done close to, but it's a wick. What to decide using a wick? 1 minute. Okay, came down, acted as support, market is holding on to this range. If I would have seen this, if I had time, maybe at this zone, I would have entered on top, placing stop loss here. I would have trailed the stop loss and gone. Maybe stop loss would have hit, not hit, depending on the market condition only. I could have just, now is it working? I'm having issue, traders. So today I think we are going to close. Any nice update I find later point of the day I will share. If you wish to join our private Telegram group for crypto, you can do that. There you have access to our free courses. You can see gold, what kind of support it took from the levels which we discussed today. Okay. Solana, of course, up to the zone was the resistance. It did not go up to that. Ethereum to a certain extent performed nicely. And BTC, of course, this news based situation, nothing can be done. So here it didn't come to resistance also, support also. But yesterday I think Solana gave a nice momentum. Whatever is the case, I don't want to complicate. If market wants to move, let it move. I'll look into things later. See, I need to be going out to meet family members. That's why I cannot promise you that I will share update. Only if possible, I will do it. Okay. Thank you for participating in the live stream. As of now, I have no mood to trade. We'll let the issue solve, then we will look into it. Okay, thank you everyone. Before closing the live stream, please hit the like button, support the channel. Solana, you see, it's correcting, no doubt it's correcting, but resistance is acting as support. So as long as market goes below the zone, don't look for any bearish trade. If it sustains, again it can move up. Okay, so that is my analysis at this point of time. Thank you for participating in the live stream. I'll see you guys later. Happy weekend. Bye bye.